Good morning, students. One topic was left in class 10 biology. So that I want to discuss today. We have studied about the male and female reproductive system, and today we'll study about the birth control methods and how do organisms reproduce. And in this process, we'll study about what are the different methods of the birth control. That is how to prevent the pregnancy in women by preventing fertilization, and that method is called, or the process of preventing pregnancy in women by preventing fertilization is called contraception. And whatever the device or the chemicals which are used in contraception, they are called the contraceptive devices. So there are many methods for the birth control methods, because you all know that today the population is increasing day by day, and so many children then it is not able to give them proper education, proper food in our country especially. So a small family is a happy family, you all know. So for that purpose, different methods or the purpose of contraception is very important to lead or to give them a proper education and to lead a healthy life. So the different contraceptive devices, you all know that devices or the chemicals, whatever which are used in the pregnancy time in the woman, they are called contraceptive device. And the different methods of contraception, they are called barrier methods, second is chemical method, third is intrauterine contraceptive devices, and the fourth one is surgical operation. So we will discuss one by one. So this first one is barrier method. There are various physical devices which protect the pregnancy, or we can say which prevent the fertilization of the sperm and the ovum. And it not only helps to prevent the pregnancy, but it also helps the women from STD, that is sexually transmitted disease, like gonorrhea, syphilis and AIDS. And the second method of contraception, or we can say the barrier methods, birth control method, is the chemical method. In chemical method, the women especially take the oral pills and the vaginal pills. The oral pills especially stop the ovary from releasing ovum, and the vaginal pills contain the spermicide which kills the sperms. Means both these pills or the chemicals, they are used to stop the fertilization between the sperms and the ovum, and if the fertilization stops, means the pregnancy can be prevented. So this is one of the method. Third method is the intrauterine contraceptive device, and in this device we will study about the copper T which are placed inside the uterus by the doctor or the nurse. And for by this method also the fertilization of the sperms and the ovums, they are prevented, and the further pregnancy can be stopped or prevented. So this is one of the method. And another method of preventing pregnancy is the surgical operation. In surgical operation means there are two methods. It is done differently in women and males. In males it is called vasectomy, and especially it is done in males, as I told you. So what happens in vasectomy, and it is done by the surgical operation. Surgical operation is required, and in this method what happens, the sperm is small piece of or small part of the sperm duct is removed, and the cut part or the cut ends, they are ligated or tied properly to prevent the sperms from coming out. So by this method there is no chance of sperm to come out, and the fertilization can be prevented. So this method can be done in the males especially, and in female what happens, this method is called tubectomy. And in this method here, like we have the small part of the sperm duct is cut or removed and tied properly. In the same way, in tubectomy which is done in females, here the oviduct or the means it is small part of the oviduct is removed by surgical operation, and then the cut parts are tied properly, so that it prevent the ovum from entering into the oviduct. And once the ovum does not enter into the oviduct, means the fertilization between the sperms and the ovum can be stopped, and it can also stop the or prevent the pregnancy. So these are the four methods of preventing, that is the methods of contraception we can say, or it is also called the birth control methods. Thank you.